Ayo, how are y'all doing? I'm doing good. It is finally time to reveal what I'm gonna be doing for the Christmas hair. Pulp Riot, I've got Pyro and I've got Absinthe. I have 2 boxes of Pyro because I got a lot of hair. I think I'm gonna do all of it red, and then I think I'm gonna do this piece green and like a piece under here green. I've got my bowl here for my red. Listen, I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I feel like I need to remind y'all, but like I can't find any more bowls, so I just have like a paper plate for the green. So here is Absinthe. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna take the cap off because I know I'm gonna be using this whole tube right now. Pyro in here. I think I'm gonna do this piece here green. Bro, I'm not lying. This do be looking like ketchup. This piece. I mean, that's what the shirt's for, right? And we're gonna color her green. Oh yeah. This is gonna look so cool. So I got the piece green. Sorry I was so quiet there. That took a lot of concentration. The rest of this is going to be red. Yeah, so it stopped recording, so I think my camera is probably almost out of memory. I can't really remember the last time I had my hair red. Oh, with my blue contacts, oh, it's about to be hidden. It's gonna be nice to have like a nice like deep hair color. I've been telling everybody that I'm gonna do this, and I don't think I explained it like well, so I think everybody's gonna be surprised. See, like I was telling you guys, it didn't matter if my hair had yellow in it because it was gonna be like dark red. I didn't realize how thick my hair is. Oh my god, this is gonna look so good. I don't think anyone that knows me and like has seen me with red hair for so long, I wonder what people are gonna think. I'll go back through and resaturate this later. I meant to get some Olaplex number 2 and like mix in this, but I've been busy with other things today and I kind of didn't get around to doing that. I like how I'm like piecing through looking for spots that need more saturation before I'm even like done. I'm out of red. I need to put the rest in here. If I run out of it, I'm gonna be screwed. This is all I have left to do like all of this. I don't feel like my hair is like that thick though, but apparently it is. Really sorry I'm just slapping it on there, but like I'm afraid about running out, so I want to try to get like as much color on as I can before that happens. This piece needs saturated real bad. I want to try to save some in the bowl too, so that like after I'm done getting what I can see, I can take it in the bathroom and like check the back of my head. Yeah, here's a blonde piece. I'm almost out. I have like nothing in the bowl. Like, I hadn't even considered that running out like a possibility. I thought I had enough color. Maybe I should have done more green in it than I did, huh? It's getting like that frothy look, and I'm like, it's making it hard to tell if it's saturated or not. Alright, so I'm gonna take the rest of what I've got in the bowl, which is basically nothing, and I'm gonna check the back of my head. Leave this on for probably about an hour. I will be right back. Okay, so Christmas is canceled. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm sad because this piece that I put right here, it turned black. This piece stayed green, but it does look kind of black at the ends there. So here's what happened. I was in the shower. I was washing it, so like I was holding like this green piece forward, and I was holding this. I was keeping them so separate. And then the next thing I know, I was like, where's this piece at? And I looked over, and it had gotten in with the rest of this hair, and I like grabbed it and looked at it, and it was already black in the shower. So I knew that there was kind of no hope for that piece. So I was looking at this piece and I was like, oh my god. But I mean, it looks black, and some of it bled in between right here, and then like the ends of it definitely look black, but you can tell it's green. We still have the Christmas hair. I feel so cute right now. This is like a complete and total transformation too. Like, I went from being a night elf to being a Christmas elf. I just had to take my lashes off and put them back on because like when I just finished trimming my bangs, and the whole time my hair kept like grabbing my lashes and like pulling them. So they ended up lifting in the middle. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. But yeah. Here's my red and green hair. Didn't really looked at the back, so I will see that in editing. I think I did good on my undercut though. Like, I can't see much of it, but it looks like it's pretty red. Remember, I was telling y'all when I was toning my hair, I was like, that band in the middle won't matter because it's going to be covered up with red. And look, you can't even tell it's there. Like, oh man. What do we think about red hair Tana? I'm feeling like it's a vibe. I might actually have to keep this for a little while. I've been wanting to go red for a couple years, but one of the ladies I used to work with at my old job, she had red hair, and that was kind of like her thing, and I didn't want, I don't know, to have the same color hairs. That's so stupid. That's such a stupid reason to like not do a hair color. I think I messed up the countdown because I'm dumb and I can't count. I'm gonna have to fix, I haven't started editing the other videos yet, but I think I'll have fixed them. It's 23 days till Christmas, or was. Now it's 22. We're counting down to Christmas together. It's really confusing when you pre-film videos because as much as I'd love to do these every day, like I need time to edit them, so I have to pre-film like some of them. The red hair. My hair looks so shiny and healthy. I haven't even put any like products in it or anything. It's just like, I just went to bed with it wet and then cut my bangs and then curled it. That's literally all I've done. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow, and this is, there's no way around this. I'm cutting my bangs in tomorrow, so you kind of already know how they turned out, but it might still be fun to watch me cut them. Just please don't do your hair yourself. Don't cut it, please. Anyway, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.